Ooh, look what I received today. I had to go to a meeting, went out, and saw this was in my mailbox. I was really hoping for another subscription. I'm not supposed to say stuff like that. Shut up. I don't know. I have to keep it 100 with y'all. I was hoping another one was sitting on my porch, but it wasn't. This guy was here. So let's go through this. By the way, happy Valentine's Day. I am recording this Valentine's night. I've had a long day and I've been jamming. And I was like, whoa, wait a minute. This little pink baggie is sitting on the table and you should go do a video. So happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I hope you all had a fantastic Valentine's Day. It's not about materialistic things and it's not about a particular spouse, like person, so to speak, boy or girl. Know that you're totally freaking awesome. You rock and you're loved by somebody, if not nobody, but yourself. So, hey, we got an Ipsy bag. This is the $12 one. They do have 3 tiers. They have this little guy here that's $12 a month. They have the medium-sized guy, which is $25 a month. And then they have the bigger guy, which is $50 a month. Last night I went in and did I cancel or did I pause? I might have canceled the medium one. I don't know. I'm just not really overly feeling them. They're not a terrible company. They do have decent customer service. I just think the selection of stuff that I get compared to other boxes, I just, but, hey, pop in, pop out, things change. This is the $12 one, so all the contents of whatever is in here is inside of the bag already versus the one that I did a few days ago, which was the medium-sized guy, the Glam Bag Plus, which I'll link that video in the description box below. So let's zip this thing open so we're not here all day. That's what everything looks like in the inside, and I'm just going to start grabbing and pulling it out and showing it to you. So we have a Teensy Tiny Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Long Wear Foundation. And the color dark, because it's DG6. And that's what it looks like, you guys. This is saying it is 0.2 fluid ounces. The next thing we have here in the bag that I'm pulling out, I think I got this already. Or I may have given it to my daughter, but this is a Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. I do like the little, that's so cute. Tarte's known for cute. And so I just gotta, and see, this is what I mean. Like, whoever is packing the boxes or selecting the contents based on your profile, did they not know they sent me a liquid eyeliner in the Glam Bag Plus? Again, refer to that video, which will be listed in the description box below. But they already sent one this month. So, 2 of the same things. Now, in all actuality, if I just had to choose between the 2, I would like to try this one, but I've already seen one. So, between the 2 tiers, I've gotten 2 of the same particular type of makeup products. I hope that makes sense to you guys out there. Throwing that down on the ground. I don't want that on my thigh. We have Misha Beauty Nail Lacquer 10 free is what it's saying on here. And this is 0.35 fluid ounces. And this is the packaging, outer packaging. Then you got a little peephole here where you can kind of see what the color is, but it's so dark, so I don't know if it's black, if it's blue, or what. So we're going to open this up. Again, outer packaging. Ah, look at that. It's fancy. It is. It's a little posh nail polish in a nice purple. I really hope. Again, I don't know until once I upload what everything looks like in the distance and whatnot, but Misha Beauty. So we got 3, 2 more to go. Reaching in, pulling out, and we have here a Perfume Hand Essence Magnolia some company I've never heard of, the Shem. I don't know, man. I might be saying it so wrong. It's probably a Korean company because there is a lot of foreign language on the back. So it's some kind of Oriental or Japanese type of company. It's soft. It could be used at night. It's very light. It's light, delicate, and floral. That is the scent notes for this guy. I don't want to say lilac. It's a little sweeter than lilac. And the last thing we have here is Lush Eyeshadow Headliner City Limits by IBY Beauty. And I have received some IBY Beauty within the different little subscription boxes that I've tried or consistently a part of. Let's see, IBY Lush eyeshadows are highly pigmented, buttery, excuse me, you guys, blendable shades infused with rose hemp seed oil for skin protecting properties. So let's see what this color is so we can get on out of this video. I thought it might have had a little see-through window, but it doesn't. And this is the color. So this will go in the giveaway for sure. It looks pretty, but I do have 99 palettes that has some type of, this one has little hues of brown, gold, and like a deep plum. And I think I'll put this in a giveaway. Boy, you guys, so that was my Ipsy for $12 a month. Let's take a look at what we have here. We have a hand cream. We have a nail. Let me tilt down so you can see the people over here on the stand. So we have a nail lacquer. We have a hand cream. We have a liquid eyeliner. We have a teensy-tiny sample of a foundation. Looking at the size, I should be able to do my face maybe 5, maybe 8 times to determine if I like it enough to buy the full size. We have an eyeshadow, and that's the 5 items for $12. When you add $3 more and you go and you step up to something like, let's say, Allure Beauty, I think you get way more for your money for those $15. So you say, okay, I'll pay $3 more, but I'll get more. And Allure, and then Ipsy does too, sometimes have full-size products mixed in with the deluxe size sample. I'm not trying to hate on Ipsy. I do like them, and you'll see them throughout the year, this year 2020, pop in and out of my channel. As far as prepay or when I say prepay, like a prepay 3 or 4 months, 6 month subscription, I wouldn't want to do that with this company, and I would pause and start off and on, because I just feel like, you know, with things like Trend Mood and BoxyCharm and different ones out there, they really set the standards very, very high. Even when they bring in companies I might haven't heard of, it's typically with an item that I don't have in the collection, or I don't have a lot in my collection. And so I can use it. I'm going to get out this video and let you guys go. I hope this wasn't a Debbie Downer, because I'm not sad. I do see things I'll just throw in a giveaway, and a couple of things I'll keep for myself. And like I said, the customer service is good. The shipping is not bad. It's a good company. It's just the variety and maybe the brands is why I lean into maybe other subscription boxes more so than this one. But you will see it off and on my channel. Have a blessed day, everybody. Again, happy Valentine's Day to you, which is now nighttime. And I hope you had a wonderful day and have a great weekend. Consider liking the video. No, like this video. You took the time to watch it, even if it's 2 minutes. Like the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. And have a blessed day, you guys. Peace.